Welcome to my channel, where I bring you the best health and fitness tips to help you achieve your fitness goals. In today's video, we're going to talk about the most common problem faced by many people, belly fat. We'll be sharing some of the best tips and tricks on how to eat to lose belly fat fast and effectively. With this guide, you'll be able to lose your belly fat in just 30 days. Cut out processed foods. One of the most effective ways to lose belly fat is to cut out processed foods from your diet. These foods are often high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats that can contribute to belly fat. Instead, focus on eating whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Increase your fiber intake. Fiber is an essential nutrient that can help you feel fuller for longer, which can aid in weight loss. Eating foods that are high in fiber, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, can help reduce belly fat. Eat more protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. Eating a diet high in protein can help you lose belly fat by reducing your appetite and increasing your metabolism. Good sources of protein include lean meats, fish, eggs, and plant-based protein sources such as beans and lentils. Cut back on sugar and alcohol. Sugar and alcohol are two of the biggest culprits when it comes to belly fat. They are high in calories and can contribute to weight gain, especially when consumed in excess. Try to limit your intake of sugary drinks and alcohol and opt for healthier alternatives like water or herbal tea. Incorporate healthy fats into your diet. Contrary to popular belief, not all fats are bad for you. Healthy fats like those found in nuts, seeds, and avocados can actually help you lose belly fat by reducing inflammation and regulating hormones. Just remember to keep your portion sizes in check. There you have it, the ultimate guide on how to eat to lose belly fat. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals. Remember to be patient, consistent, and make healthy choices every day. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to my channel for more health and fitness tips.